I've got another update to add on to the whole Intuit ecosystem of things that are going on, which is they're saying you can now build a connected tech stack with their app partner program. I must admit, it's not exactly clear to me what this is trying to do other than, I guess, package up apps for a particular type of business. And again, this isn't really new in the marketplace. Xero have for a long time with their ecosystem and their platform had suggested apps for retail businesses, but construction businesses, et cetera, et cetera. And to be fair to Intuit, they've had that to a degree as well. And I guess this probably isn't too different from what Will Farnell and the gang were trying to do as well with App Advisory, which is being able to log into a platform and say, hey, I've got a client that does this. Can you help me suggest some apps for them? So I think that's what they're trying to do. Basically, this is an easy way of just of accessing their partner program in a way that's built and structured for you as a business. Not clear, I must admit, how this is going to work. So, for example, every business, in my opinion, needs a reporting app. So how do you figure out what the most appropriate reporting app is for your business? Is it going to be, Fathom or Join or something else? And which one comes to the top of the pile? Is it down to how much they invest in the partner program themselves? Or is it based on recommendations or something else or your requirements? So there are some potential limitations with this. It is going to be structured in a sort of silver, gold, platinum tiers. You'll instantly be able to spot the best apps, how that platform is measured, and whether or not it's gained in the same way that the Xero one is, where people are basically buying reviews and things like that. Who knows? But you can make your own minds upon the efficacy of these things.
Yeah, I think this does. They've obviously got to a stage where Xero got to, where it became overloaded. Like the marketplace app store became so busy that no one could see the width of the trees to know what to do. So they're trying to create a preferred stack. These are the ones that we would recommend. Maybe the deepest integrations, I guess just in volume, the number of integrations, or as you said, the one that pays the most. And it's hard to tell, like from this announcement, what it is. Obviously, if you go down App Advisory Plus, then technically they're independent. So there's no reason to benefit specific apps, but I can't say that is what they do or don't do. But it'd be interesting to see how this rolls out and the impact it'll have. I know the recommended or preferred apps or app of the month that Xero does, in my opinion, that I've seen, isn't necessarily the best app that's being put forward. It seems to go on cycles. Maybe that's what Intuit will do with this. But I think they've obviously got to a stage. They've changed the main look of the platform. They've changed the accountant side. They're changing the app side as well. Let's just refresh everything at once.
Makes sense, yeah.